In today's video, I will teach you how to make a text reflection in Photopea. Let's get started. First, open Photopea, then start a new project or open an existing one where you want to create the text reflection effect. Now we're going to add the text. Click on the text tool on the toolbar, then click on the canvas and type the text that you want to reflect. In the top menu, you can adjust the font, size, color, and other properties of the text to suit your design. In the Layers panel, right-click on your text layer and select Duplicate Layer, or simply press Ctrl-J or Command-J on your keyboard. With the duplicated layer selected, go to Edit, Transform, then Flip Vertical. This will flip the text upside down to create the reflection effect. Now go to the toolbar and select the Move tool, or simply press V on your keyboard and use it to drag the flipped text layer directly below the original text. Now align it carefully to create a natural reflection. With the duplicated text layer still selected, click on the Add Raster Mask button at the bottom of the Layers panel. Then choose the Gradient tool from the toolbar on the left. Then make sure the gradient is set to black to white in the top menu. This will create a fading effect. Now click and drag the gradient over the text reflection from top to bottom to gradually fade the reflection into the background. In the Layers panel, adjust the opacity of the reflected text layer to around 30 to 50% to make the reflection more subtle and realistic. Now make any additional adjustments to the positioning, opacity, or gradient until the reflection looks just right. And once you're satisfied, you can now save your project by clicking File, then Save as PSD to keep the layers editable. To export the final image, simply go to File, then Export As, then choose your preferred format. Your text should now have a realistic reflection effect, enhancing the overall look of your design. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.